If you have any work to do and you don't have data, then try using Night Sub because it is the cheapest you can ever use. Alright. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Now the code to use is *406# for MTN Night Sub. Then you select option 3, Night Live Bundle. Then you have two options here to select. You can choose 250 MB for just 30 naira or 500 MB for just 50 naira. And you can use this plan from 11 p.m. in the night to 6 a.m. in the morning. Alright, let me just select option 1. Then you click on yes, that is 1. Then I'll be buying for my airtime since I don't have pause points. Then confirm. The activation of 250 MB MTN Pulse Night Live Bundle is successful. You can see the message popping up on my phone here. So this is how it is. You can simply just buy this and use it for your work at night. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you next time.